Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we'll be talking about a bird that you're likely to see in the highlands of Sri Lanka. The pied bushchat. The pied bushchat is a small passerine bird found ranging from West Asia and Central Asia to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Males are black with a white vent and a white wing patch. Females are dark brown with a reddish-brown rump and underparts. It is a familiar bird of countryside and open shrub or grassland, where it is found perched at the top of short thorn trees or other shrubs looking out for insect prey. They pick up insects mainly from the ground. They nest in cavities in stone walls or in holes in an embankment, lining the nest with grass and animal hair. Their calls are like locally named Gomara Sitibichcha. I have not seen the pied bushchat. As mentioned, you can see them in the high hills of Sri Lanka. In Noire, being a mountain area, there are many treks where you can do, where at the end you will be presented with a magical view. If you ever visit Noire, don't forget to take one of these mountain treks where the view is spectacular.